Keeping your tires at the right pressure is important for safety, fuel efficiency, and tire life. A tire pressure gauge helps you measure your tire's air pressure accurately. Two popular brands are ETENWOLF and AstroAI. Both are trusted, but they have differences in design, accuracy, and features. Here are some differences between the two to help you decide which tire pressure gauge is more accurate. ETENWOLF gauges are known for slightly higher precision. They often provide very accurate measurements. Many users find them reliable for daily tire checks and long trips. They also feature easy-to-read dials or digital displays, making monitoring tires simple and convenient. AstroAI is accurate as well, though some models may show small variations. It is often praised for its affordability and user-friendly design. Some models also include additional features like backlit displays or dual-valve compatibility. ETENWOLF usually has a clear digital display. The display is easy to read even in low light, helping you check tire pressure quickly. Many models also include a backlight and auto shut-off feature for convenience. AstroAI offers both digital and analog versions, giving you a choice. The analog models are simple and durable, while the digital ones provide precise readings. ETENWOLF is very straightforward with one-button operation, making it easy to use even for beginners. Its simple design reduces the chance of errors and allows for quick tire checks. AstroAI can have multiple buttons depending on the model, which might be confusing for beginners. However, these extra buttons often provide additional functions, such as switching units or storing previous readings, giving more control for experienced users. ETENWOLF provides pressure readings quickly, usually within 1 to 2 seconds, allowing for fast and efficient tire checks. This makes it ideal for users who need quick results, especially when checking multiple tires. Its fast response also helps avoid long wait times, making the process smoother. AstroAI may take slightly longer, around 2 to 3 seconds, to display a reading. While not as fast as ETENWOLF, it still provides reliable measurements and is suitable for regular home or garage use. The slightly longer reading time is still convenient for most casual users. ETENWOLF usually has longer battery life, lasting up to 18 months. This means fewer interruptions and less hassle with replacements. Its energy-efficient design ensures consistent performance over time. AstroAI batteries may need replacement a bit sooner, around 12 to 15 months. Despite this, the gauges still provide reliable readings throughout their battery life. If you want high precision, ruggedness, and extra features, ETENWOLF is the better choice. If you are looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use gauge, AstroAI works well.